Imagine love traveling through galaxies, through universes of time, again and again, rebirthing as the greatest love story ever told. We were there at the universe's beginning. We were winning this war in the love. But why was there a war in the love? The story is told from the stars above. Transfused in this fusion of passion, tú y yo, you and I, slide across the sky to create the sun and moon. And from this, we gave birth to the earth. And as she grew, tú y yo passed through to the greatest love story ever told. Again. We were one day old, how the story's told,
how it's told.
in this first day, saw you in the light, shining so bright, you were the atom, you were the microcosm of my world, you were the girl. And I was the boy.
This is Cute Around the Dark Star coming to you live from the island of your dreams. And guess what? We are here at our very own Raco, Ibiza, where Yes Wow is resident. And we've got Love in 7 Ages coming to you. Love in 7 Ages. 7 amazing shows showing you exactly what Ibiza has to offer. Ibiza's finest art, artistic exhibitions, the movement. So, if you would like to see more of what we've got to offer, like a bit of that, we'll see you soon. This is Cute Runner signing out. The Dark Star with Mickey Funk, Space Funk, at Raco Ibiza. And welcome to Love in 7 Ages.
Wow.